Welcome to our guide on the top 6 deaf-friendly hotel destinations in the UAE. If you're a deaf traveler looking for an inclusive and memorable adventure, these hotels are the perfect choice for you. First up, we have the Fairmont Bab Al Bar in Abu Dhabi. This beachfront hotel offers visual fire alarms and in-room alerts, ensuring a safe and comfortable stay for deaf guests. Next, the Jumeirah Emirates Towers in Dubai provide stunning city views, visual alarms, and accessible communication, making it an ideal choice for travel experience. The Sofitel Dubai Downtown offers downtown convenience with visual alarms and staff trained in basic sign language, ensuring seamless communication and a comfortable stay for deaf travelers. Luxury awaits at the Ritz-Carlton DIFC in Dubai, with visual alarms, interpreter services, and a focus on guest needs, providing a truly inclusive and luxurious experience for guests. For an underwater adventure, the Atlantis. The Palm in Dubai offers visual alarms, accessible rooms, and a strong focus on inclusivity, creating a unique and accessible experience for deaf travelers. Lastly, the Hilton Dubai Jumeirah provides beachside relaxation with visual alarms and staff trained in basic sign language, ensuring a relaxing stay for deaf guests.